Sunday, Pastor Ricky and Pastor Wilson talk about giving our best.
We have the best God who chose you because you are the best. And being the best, you have to give the best unto the Lord.
Bibigay ng pinakamainam. What is giving the best is all about.
Ready na ba kayo sa team building mamaya? Kita-kita po tayo sa alauna ng hapon dito sa Wisdom Church.
December 22, first service, makakasama po natin si Dr. Enoch Fernando, a servant of God who uses his talent in music to inspire people. Kaya kita-kita po tayo!
10 days na lang, Pasko na. May pangregalo ka na ba? On December 24, 2013, 7 o'clock in the evening, sama-sama natin ipagdiwang ang kapanganakan ng ating Panginoong Jesus.